Hello YouTube, welcome to another tutorial. It's a new year and tax refunds are ongoing, so I'll be teaching you how to file your tax refunds for 2025 by 2024. So pay attention carefully. Now, even though there are some similarities between the 2024 and 2025 tax refunds, there are some changes I'll be adding, like I'll be teaching how to bypass ID verification, how to get the correct previous AGI, and best type of bank account to use for refund. Okay. So first things first, ensure you have a good VPN or proxy connected. Okay, and then you go to taxlayout.com. Okay, and then you can choose either of the packages you see circled. Okay, they're basically the same. Okay, so just choose one of them. So next you need to create an account. Okay, you can use an app, VoIP USL phone number for the codes if you don't have a real number. Okay, so after you've done that, you get your code and you verify. So you click continue, and then you just skip this page, and then you fill in your information, then choose family as occupation. It's easier. Now put in your address as it is on ID card. Okay, so on this page, don't check anything, just click continue. Yeah, choose single and click continue. Dependent, choose no and click continue. Alright, IRS identity PIN, choose yes. Okay, and click continue. So put your PIN if you have it and click continue. Around this page, just review all the information and click continue. So let's do this slate. Click continue. And search to add your forms. Okay, just click continue. So you search for schedule F. Okay, and click continue. So this tutorial has come to an end. I want you to message me privately for the full private tutorial. Okay, don't miss this. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. So if you enjoyed the video, kindly hit the subscribe button to turn on your post notification so you don't miss my next video. Okay, and remember to message me for the full tutorials. Bye.